Storytelling, terrific insights. I've done my research. More friendly, more respectful, more funnier without lawful restrictions. Policy safe. Depending on how I feel, be like. 1. It depends on my mood today. Why? Simple and natural. Your mood can influence how energetic or quiet you are. 2. Today's vibe decides the mission. Why? A playful way to say your mood determines what you feel like doing. 3. My energy has entered the chat. Why? Funny because your energy level becomes the decision maker. 4. I'll decide when my brain finish loading. Why? Compare your brain to a slow computer, relatable and funny. 5. Depends on which version of me woke up today. Why? A humorous way to describe having different moods. 6. Let me consult my emotional weather forecast. Why? Compares your feelings to changing weather. 7. If I'm feeling energetic, absolutely. Why? Shows enthusiasm while acknowledging your energy level. 8. If my motivation shows up, we're unstoppable. Why? Makes motivation sounds like a comrade who sometimes arrives late. 9. Today's I'm either productive or professionally relaxed. Why? Funny contrast between working hard and taking it easy. 10. Depends whether on my batteries are full or running on 2%. Why? A relatable comparison between energy and phone battery. 11. My mood has a final vote. Why? Playful gives your mood control over the decision. 12. I'll go with whatever feels right today. Why? Positive and respectful while emphasizing personal choice. 13. Some days I'm ready for anything. Others days I'm ready for a blanket. Why? Funny contrast between adventure mode and relaxation mode. 14. Depends on the vibe. My comrade. Why? Casual, friendly, and easy to use in conversation. 15. My motivations buffering. Please stand by. Why? Turns a lack of motivation into humorous technical problems. 16. Let's see what today's mood brings. Why? Keeps the statement relaxed, open-minded. 17. If the energy says yes, I'm in. Why? Gives a fun personality to your energy level. 18. My schedule says yes, but my mood wants to negotiate. Why? Funny because your mood acts like it is making a business day. 19. I'm taking suggestions from my current mood. Why? Makes your mood sounds like an advisor. 20. Today's decision depends on the emotional Wi-Fi signal. Why? A silly comparison between feelings and internet connection. 21. If I'm tired, even standing up needs a meeting. Why? Exaggerates tiredness for harmless comedy. 22. My mood changes faster than my playlist. Why? Funny comparison between changing emotions and changing songs. 23. I don't know yet. My feelings are still writing the schedule. Why? Gives your emotions a funny imaginary job. 24. Depends on the day, the vibe, and how much energy I have left. Why? A realistic and friendly explanation of changing motivation. 25. Sometimes I'm ready to conquer the day. Sometimes the day conquers me. Why? A playful way to describe good and low energy days. 26. Honesty, it depends on how you feel, but it either way, I'll keep it positive. Why? Friendly, respectful, and ends with an optimistic message.